Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching and want more, go ahead and subscribe. I keep things simple, helpful, and easy to understand. Let's jump in.
Thunderbird not responding errors usually happen because of bad add-ons, hardware issues, or large data files. Start by closing the program completely. Use the task manager to end any lingering processes. If a simple restart does not work, try opening Thunderbird in safe mode. Hold the Shift key while clicking the app icon. This disables all extensions and themes. If the program runs fine now, one of your add-ons is the culprit. You should disable them one by one to find the problem. Another common fix involves hardware acceleration. Go to the Settings menu, click General, and scroll down to the bottom. Uncheck the box that says Use Hardware Acceleration when available. This often stops freezing on older computers. You should also check your antivirus software. Sometimes security programs scan every email and cause the app to hang. Add Thunderbird as an exception in your firewall settings. Cleaning up your folders is also vital. Right-click on your inbox and select Compact. This removes hidden data and makes the database smaller. This makes the program run much faster. Large folders often cause the software to lag or crash. If none of these steps work, you might need to rebuild your global database. Locate the global messages DB SQLite file in your profile folder and delete it while the app is closed. Thunderbird will rebuild it when you restart. Finally, check for updates to ensure you have the latest bug fixes. Keeping your software current prevents most performance issues. Following these steps will get your email client back to normal and stop those annoying freezes for good.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.